Good morning, everybody. KT here with Wise Images Photography, and today we are going to do an unboxing. I did go ahead and get the Z30 Creators Kit. So I haven't even opened up the box. So let's get going because I am dying to tear into this because I'm really hoping to start having better video footage on the channel. So, all right, let's go. All right, you guys, so here's the Z30. It came out in 2022, so it is a couple years old. Came out in August. This comes with the camera body, the Nikon Z DX16 to 50 millimeter, so pretty wide lens there. F-stops are from 3.5 to 6.3 VR lens. Comes with a mic, a tripod, and a remote. I'm so excited. Whoop. All right, got the sound effects. All right, so it looks like this is the remote. I'm gonna dig into this. How fast? All right, so there's the remote right there. Looks like power button. Okay. All right, looks like the battery's in here and it's got a little tabby tab. So we'll tear into that a little bit later. All right, and then it comes with a little manual, by the way. All right, so there's the remote control ML7 user manual. Go ahead and stick that back in there. You guys do not need to see me close that box. I am just gonna keep on moving on. All right, so next up we have a Video Micro Ultra Compact on-camera microphone from Rode. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Let me push that back just so we can make that easier. And of course I don't have a knife on me right now to open this up. So hang on, I'll be right back. All right, I used a kitchen knife to take care of that. Open that up. Oh, look how baby it is. It's like so cute. It's like the size, it's like the size of my hand. Actually just a little bit smaller. All right, so it looks like we got some connector cables. We also have another type of windsock here. That way if it's really super windy, I can go ahead and pop that off and change that out. That was a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be. Hang on, we're trying to. All right, maybe during, right now, in theory, it should be really simple, but I don't want to be in a rush and mess this up. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, so there's the change out of the two different windsocks. And it does, by the way, do not eat this. I thought that was a manual, so I was like, oh, it comes with a manual, you guys. I do not see any kind of manual in the box. Don't eat the stuff that keeps it from getting moist in the packaging. But it does have some information here on the back that you can definitely tie into and read. And, if you don't know how to use it, you can always check out YouTube. Oh, look, I found it. Nope, found the directions. Oh, the regulatory and safe guide. So maybe this is not the directions, but it is information on how to be safe with your microphone. All right, so I don't know why I'm finding that hysterical. I am going to keep on going because we got to get to the good stuff, right? All right, so this must be the tripod. Let's see if I can figure out how to get into this. All right, so let's go and open this up. And it looks like, okay, so we do have a little set of directions here. Small rig tripod grip 3070. It gives you a little bit of tips on how to use it. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so that feels actually kind of, I'm grabbing a hold of the grip here. It has a nice little grip to it. So that's gonna be kind of nice. And then I put the remote right here. All right. Let's see, moving. Let's see, open it up. All right, so you can open up for the tripod. It kind of opens out. Okay. And then I'm wondering, aha, is it this button maybe? I don't know, I guess I want to read the directions, see if this does any kind of tilt or whatever, because normally I figure things out pretty quick, but I wonder if maybe if I open up the legs a little bit here, the tripod, now does it tilt? It doesn't look like this tilts. Okay, so I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit later, but at first glance, I do kind of like the grip. It feels like it's a good grip, like I'm not gonna lose it. All right, so without further ado, I'm gonna put that off to the side. Let's get into this camera. I'm so excited. All right, so I am gonna have to buy my own SD card. I know that, I looked that up online. But here you go. Just for you, all the fun documents and everything else like that. We have a connector cable. All right, looks like my strap is right here. Looks like the battery. Battery right here. All right. And then it looks like this is going to be my lens. All right, so here's the lens. Oh wow, it's so tiny. Look at that. It's like the size of my hand. It's not even as tall as my fingers. I don't know if you guys can see that. My fingers actually stick out further than that does. Wow, okay, and it's not a bad weight. It feels very, very, very light. Okay, all right, let's get into this camera. Yeah, I have been waiting forever to buy this camera, and it doesn't look like anything else. And then I'm just gonna set it right there because I'm like, is there anything else in the box? Nope, that looks like that is it. All right, guys, the moment we've been waiting for, at least I have been. I've been waiting for a while. Wow, look at this. So cool, I'm so excited. All right, so it's got the flip out screen. Hey guys, you guys can see me. Whee! Okay, so I like the fact that it's going to be able to, I can flip it around so I can actually see myself, because a lot of times with, you know, the cell phone, I've been having to flip it to, like to myself, and then the quality hasn't been as good. Okay, so, all right. So at first glance, I mean, it feels, it's light, it's not, you know, it doesn't feel super heavy, but of course I'm used to a D750. But like, even feels like for shooting, it's not gonna be bad at all, for photo or for video. So anyways, it looks, hey, it looks like a camera to me. But the grip's not bad. I like the fact that it's not like too small. You know how sometimes the camera is like the grip's a little small. So at first glance, I think, at least for me, but I have small fingers, you guys. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's super small fingers. So, you know, having a camera that's, you know, pretty small, the grip's not too big for me. I think that's cool. But you can attach a tripod. You got your battery right here, you know. All right, so I just basically need to go ahead and charge up the camera. And now that I'm looking at it, it has a cable. There's a cable for charging. I'm wondering if I actually charge this battery inside the camera. It looks like I need to do a little bit of research to figure out the battery situation, because I'm not 100% sure about the battery situation. Yes, that is King Tut over there in the corner. He holds CDs. But anyways, So I'm gonna have to do a little bit more investigation on how to charge up the battery, because I don't see like a charger like, you know, I have had for my other cameras and stuff like that. So something new to figure out, but that is the Creator Kit unboxed for you guys. So I will later on give you guys an update of what I think about it, and we'll go from there. All right. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thank you for tuning in today, everybody. I want to say you are awesome. Have a fantastic rest of your week, and I'll see you later, alligator.